Hello friends, today in this video I am going to explain about how we will do KPMG virtual internship certification for free. This was supported by Forage organization where all these certification or virtual internship program we will do in Forage website. So coming to the details, take the mystery out of big data and learn what it's like to produce business results with the KPMG data analytics team. So here this certification course is about data analytics, how on a daily basis the data analytics team in KPMG will produce business results by considering different types of data and also with the help of decision making. So this virtual internship is free for students. It's not only for students, anyone can enroll for it and they can complete it. This program will be self-paced. It takes approximately 5 to 6 hours to complete. So you can do whenever you want at any time as per your pace. It will take around 5 to 6 hours. So it's just you just have to go through few videos and you just have to go through few assessments like tasks or any other workshops they'll ask you to do, and you just have to compare the results, your actual results with the desired results. That's all. Now coming to the skills, so you can get practical skills and experience from KPMG by doing this. So usually all this kind of work that KPMG or any big four firm do is highly confidential and sensitive, but here why these organizations are trying to explain is because to help people to understand what exactly they do on their business role, so that they'll get some insights and they'll be ready and fit for the job that they're looking for. And you can also use this experience in your CV in line with our policy. Okay, you can also use those certificate. So after completion of this internship program, you will get a certificate. You can use the certificate in your CV or your resume. Well, in this video, we are going to learn about what is KPMG data analytics. Why should we do that? What is the purpose of doing that? And what exactly we have to do in this analytics virtual internship. So coming to what is the KPMG data analytics consulting virtual internship, it's an online program where you have to complete the similar work like how a full-time employee of KPMG will do, and you will learn what exactly they'll work at the real pace. And it's the world best data analytics team, as I said, and you can build skills required to excel as an analytics consultant. You can be like ready for any kind of interview, not only for KPMG, for any other position, to get the data analytics skills. So they have mentioned few steps. All we just have to do is to follow such steps. It's just like a simple virtual internship program where after completion of this particular internship experience, you will get a certificate. So the steps are: enroll in KPMG virtual internship. As I said, it's free. All you just have to do is sign up if you don't have an account with Forage. If you already have an account with Forage, you just log in and complete the internship. I'll drop the link in the description below. Please find it out. You just have to click on the link, and once it opens, you just have to log in, or you just have to sign up and start the internship. Now coming to the second step, start a module in a core practice area. So there is a section called core practice area. In that there will be a list of modules present. So you just have to complete those modules by clicking each and every module. So there will be few videos which they'll taught you how to do this particular internship. That's it. The modules each contains a project for you to complete. Yes, each and every module has a project, like it's a task they'll assign to you to complete, so that you can go to the next module or next task. Get video instructions from KPMG supervisor. As I told you, there will be few set of videos which we have to go through and we just have to perform whatever they have taught us in the video on this project task. Now each task comes with video instructions from a KPMG employee. That's nice. And what's the fourth step? It's complete task and upload work to platform. So all you have to do is you just have to complete the task, whatever the task that they have assigned you, and you just have to upload such Excel sheet or document or any other document to the platform. That's it. Easy. Each task replicates the type of work KPMG graduates do. So each and every task that we actually do while learning this internship is the same exactly work what actually the persons sitting in KPMG offices do. Now compare your work with KPMG model answers. View real work examples from the KPMG team to learn from. Okay, so here they have given a video, introductory video from KPMG. Here from James Mabot, partner, innovation and digital solutions at KPMG, introduce the KPMG virtual internship on Forage. Okay, let's see what he'll say about it.
Hi, my name's James Mabot and I'm a partner at KPMG. My role in the firm is to help build and drive our innovation culture, as well as work with our clients on topics of innovation and disruption, which is one of the reasons why we're really excited to be able to offer these virtual internships. Because as a firm, for the student on the outside looking in, sometimes it's hard to understand what it is we actually do with our clients and how we operate in the environments within which we work. So these virtual internships are a fantastic opportunity to give you, the student, the ability to experience what it's like to be inside the firm. And for us, it's an opportunity to reach out to a broader, more diverse set of students to give you experiences that you otherwise might not be able to get access to purely because of geography or location or what it is you've actually studied at work. I myself come from a background in arts and science, and so we're interested in broadening our reach and giving an opportunity to more students across Australia to experience what it is like to work inside the firm. And as part of this program, we're going to give you the opportunity to work with our data and analytics team, Lighthouse, and get an experience around what it is they do day to day in terms of collecting and capturing data, analysing that data and drawing out deep insights to be able to present those to our clients. So good luck and welcome to the program.
So this is the introduction video by a partner at KPMG for digital solutions and innovation. Now coming to why should we do this virtual internship? So we will do this to build real skills. So usually nobody like no organization or neither of the consulting firm or any of the big four would try to show their work, what actually they do at the workplace. But here they have prepared such kind of good platform where they'll show us what exactly they do on a day-to-day basis, how the work is done by different individuals, by considering what are the advantages, disadvantages, what is the data which consider from the client, how they'll actually play around with the data. So by the help of data, how they'll actually take the decision makings, what kind of analysis they do, etc. So by doing this, you'll build the real skills in your own time. So whenever you want, you can do it as per your convenience. You can do it in the morning, afternoon, evening, or after your completion of work, whenever you want. So you just have to complete those 5 to 6 hours of videos, and you just have to prepare few tasks or the projects and submit them. That's all. Nobody is going to judge you whether you have done it right or wrong. It's just that simple. And if you're really interested, you can challenge yourself whether you'll be able to do this or not. And after completion of this particular internship experience, you will gain a real credit. Like they'll give an certificate which you can use in your any of the social media like LinkedIn, or you can also use it in your resume, which helps you to get into a good job and also to develop the skills. Well, this is a kind of certificate which you will be getting it from the Forage organization. It is signed by that organization, and it will mention your name, the certification that you're doing and the completion date, and during this period on which date and month you have completed it, what are the skills that you have achieved during this audit virtual experience. So this is an example where I have done this task for Grant Thornton audit virtual experience. In the similar way, once you complete this certification, you will be able to get the certificate which you can use it for social media or any other platform. Now, coming to what you do, so we just have to do this these 3 steps. Okay, data quality assessment of data quality and completeness in preparation for analysis. What we have to do initially, we just gather few data, we will assess data, and we will assess what kind of data it is, like it's a structured data, non-structured data, semi-structured data, etc. So we just have to consider all the data, like completeness for preparation for analysis. So now during this particular assessment, you will gain these skills: data analysis and analytical dashboard creation. This model work was created by senior consultant in the data analytics team. The model work replicates real work done by the team at KPMG. Perfect. So they're not doing something which they usually don't do. They're just sharing their own personal experiences, what they actually do on a daily basis. Now, coming to the second thing that you learn, that you do, is data insights. Targeting high value customers based on the customer's demographics and attributes. So after considering the data and after considering all the completeness of data for preparing for analysis, what we should do, we should get some data insights out of those raw data. What we'll focus on high value customers based on customer demographics or attributes. So depending upon few attributes or few regions or few selected filters, what they'll do, they'll gather the data. So by doing this, what you're going to learn, we're going to develop the skills of data analytics, customer segmentation, data driven presentations. So even this is also a real model situations created by KPMG team. And now thirdly, data insights and presentation. So after completion of this data insights and this data quality assessment, we will do data insights and presentation by using visualizations to represent insights. So after the segregation using the demographics and attributes, what we do, we will keep them in a visualization like Tableau or Power BI by using any of the visualization charts or analysis tools, etc., to get more insights about the data. So here we are going to learn about data dashboards, data visualizations, and presentations. Now, this is all we will do during those 5 to 6 hours of the internship experience. So once it is done and once we complete the task, you will get the certificate. Now, coming to the purpose of KPMG virtual internship, the KPMG data analytics virtual internship is designed to help you a practical insight into the work that KPMG do on a daily basis, and it's an opportunity for us to build your career skills and experience. Usually nobody will come and share their sensitive or confidential information to get others to increase their knowledge or others to improve their skills, but here they're doing it. So let's use it in a wise way to get skills improved. So it is not the intention for KPMG to hire students based on their performance in this virtual internship, and completing the program is not a prerequisite when applying for a current vacancies. This virtual internship is an opportunity for you to demonstrate your interest in KPMG, and we will consider students favorably who complete the program. So what they're actually telling is they will not ask people to complete this particular virtual internship for mandatory, but persons whoever has completed this kind of additional virtual internship programs will have the priority or will have some light while considering their positions, while considering those individuals for applying for any positions. Okay, due to the number of participants potentially completed in this program, KPMG will not be able to assess your individual work to provide you with specific feedback. As I told you, nobody is going to check the work that you have done. All you have to do is you just have to complete the task and match your task with the predefined solutions which were already provided by the KPMG team in the platform. So however, after submitting your completed work, you will be able to access model work prepared by the consultant, as I told you exactly. So you can see how someone from KPMG would approach the task. So in this way, by doing this activity or by doing this practice, we would able to get a feedback by ourselves by comparing our work with the KPMG's work to get more insights or to get the areas where we have to focus more. So if you provide your contact details, KPMG will contact you at any stage to discuss their completed response in more details. Okay, so here they have given a link to apply for. So if you're really interested to apply for any of the job in KPMG, you can also apply by clicking this and provide their more details. So all you just have to do is register and go to the steps and complete the steps. It's very simple. Well, after logging in or sign up, all you just have to do is click on this virtual internship. Once you click on it, so it will redirect you to this page, which shows welcome to the KPMG virtual internship. We have a couple of questions that will help us to get your knowledge. So I have heard about KPMG and want to learn more. I'm not sure what a data analytics graduate does. I want to build data analytics skills to fast track my career in KPMG. You have to select either of them. So as I'm selecting this. So which divisions of KPMG are you interested in? So if you are interested in any of the line of work, you can just select their line of work like audit and assurance, KPMG, enterprise strategy, risk consulting, management consulting, strategy, etc. and click on next. So how did you hear about the KPMG data analytics virtual internship program? So if you have heard it from any of the social media websites, you can select any of them. So I click on personal recommendation, and also from LinkedIn. One of my colleagues suggested me in 2020, which I already did for GT. Now I'm doing for KPMG now. Click on next. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you that there are career opportunities for you at KPMG? So I'll click on 10. Which KPMG program are you interested in applying for? A foundations program, yearly students, vacational program, penultimate for students, graduation program, final year students. So I will not select these two, vacation program or graduation program. I will just select this foundations program. So are you happy for KPMG to give you details and contact about the opportunities KPMG? If you really wanted KPMG to contact you for any of the opportunities, click on yes. If not, no. I'm clicking on next. So once you click on it, it will show enrolling into the program, and it will take you through the program. So as we saw, so there will be 3 tasks. The first is data quality assessments, and there is data insights. So in the similar way, what we have to do, we have to complete each and every work. So the first task is data quality assessments. We have to watch the video. Here are the steps they have given. Assessment of data quality and competence in preparation for analysis. Watch the video, get background info and context, get details for your tasks, view resources to help you learn, submit your work, unlock the model work. That's it. So you just have to compare your work with the model work and go to the next task. In the similar way, once you complete those 3 tasks, as we discussed, the first is data quality assessments. And what about the rest? Let me show you. The first is data quality assessments, data insights and presentation. That's it. Once these 3 are completed, yeah, way ahead to get your certificate to keep in your social media. That's all. It's very simple. So they're showing here is your task. This is the task that you have to do. Download this Excel sheet. Okay, whatever they ask, just do it. And once it is done, just compare your work with their work. So you have to submit the work here, and you can download this work once you have submitted this. So you just have to compare your work with this work and go to the next module. That's it. Next task, and complete the video and get the certificate for free. Well, that's all about the KPMG virtual internship experience certificate. So please like the video, hit on the subscribe button, and share this video to your friends or colleagues, which can help them to get this certificate for free. Thanks.